Making of dancing sunflower earrings. First, connect the ring to the sunflower. Second is to connect the leaf to the hanging charm using eye pin and jump ring. Round the end of the eye pin so there will be a place to attach the hanging charm. Now, connect the leaf and the hanging charm using jump ring. Then take the sunflower with the jump ring and attach the body we made earlier. Lastly, take the accessory glue and apply a generous amount to the flat area of the stud earring. Here you go!
Nice!
By the way, need-to-go clients are waiting. See ya!